One day, Mattie and his dog found a magic wand. Wow, what should I wish for? Woof, woof, woof. Hey, that's a good idea. Let's wish to go around the world. So Mattie took the wand and said, please, 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 take us around the world. Abra, cadabra, abra, abra, cadabra. Poof! And what happened? All of a sudden, they were around some animals. All kinds of animals. And then cadabra, abracadabra. Poof, poof, poof. And they were in another exotic land they'd never been to before. Abracadabra, poof! And all of a sudden they were in front of a volcano that was gonna erupt. Let's get out of here. Abracadabra, poof! And they were in a magical land called China. But they were bored. Let's go see some cars. Abracadabra, poof! And all of a sudden, they were around some very cool cars, and it was the best time they'd ever had. The end.